Go take care. I get on baby. Apology to no shame be go ṣá jókòó ṣá kan mi mọ́lẹ̀ náà ni.
Wo iṣẹ́ tí Mr. Gbadamosi fún wa ní òye mi mo ti ń bá fà látàárọ̀.
Ṣé lè?
Yes now.
Oh. Unfortunately mo dey wá in a haste. Override tí mo book ó ti wà tó sì ó ti pè mí. Mo dẹ̀ ní lecture bye. So ṣé mo tó ṣẹlẹ̀? I can help you out.
Wá jókòó náà.
Nah, I don't have the time right now. I just have to go to class. Me about miss lecture yẹn. The lesson my yẹn jí lórí gan ó lè fún one test.
Okay.
So ṣé wà lè wá sílé mi nírọ̀lẹ́?
Mi ìdẹ̀mọ̀ àdúgbò ẹ̀mí ìmọ̀ sáìdì ibi tó ń gbé.
Ṣo mọ sáìdì Ọlọ́run tóbi.
Okay.
Tó bá ti nílé àwọn boys tó wà ní sáìdì Ọlọ́run tóbi wọ́n popular pẹ̀lú àwọn boys.
Tí wọ́n tẹ̀ ti dárúkọ ẹ̀ Badmus.
Kò sí problem. So make sure kò wá. So máa kú tẹ́tù. Come take care baby. X ló máa move forward síwájú àwa di XY lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ yìí.
Okay.
Wàá wá lo almighty formula ló máa fi arrive at the solution. It's not difficult.
But lecturer yẹn bó ṣe ń kọ́ wa gan mi understand you rárá lẹ́nu. So náà ni mo ní pé kí wọ́n bá ẹ fún.
You see, the truth is, easy. Má stress alright. Just, try.
Okay. X.
Yeah.
Y.
Yeah.
Okay, it's equals to X. 1. Abi.
Yeah.
Ani sùúrù náà kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Understand the shame Mr. Gbadamosi. Òun ló dẹ̀ wá bá mi tó ní pé kí n wá bóun nílé.
Bí Badmus ṣe máa ń ṣe nìyẹn, ó kàn máa ń mẹ́ẹ̀sì ara ẹ̀ káàkiri campus ní kò sẹ́ni tí kò mọ̀ as a ras guy. Badmus ò ń ṣèyàn dáadáa. Ìwọ ò mọ̀ ní ó kàn take opportunity láti sáré mú ẹ.
Bọ̀ nǹkan tí màá ṣe fún máa yẹ̀yẹ́ ẹ̀ káàkiri ni.
Rárá.
Máa disgrace ẹ̀ káàkiri ni.
No. Má disgrace ẹ̀. Torí tó bá lọ fẹ́ disgrace ẹ̀. Ìwọ ló wá kọ́ máa fi rẹ̀ ṣẹ̀sín pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ní ohun ẹlẹ́sìn ni jẹ́ kó ra máa lọ báyẹn.
Bọ́ ṣe mọ̀ pé mi náà lẹ́lẹ́dà tèmi ṣó ti balance.
Ó dùn ní o. Ó di dandan torí wọ́n ti sọ pé ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ kan kò ní lọ láì bí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ó máa kó tó oní tiẹ̀ níwájú ìyẹn ti certain ó yẹ bọ̀ má cast ẹ o má jẹ́ kọ́ anybody mọ̀ ní campus ìwọ náà máa bú obìnrin máa ń bú wíwò kọ́ báyìí ṣó yẹ báyìí.
Honorable Gbenga, let me park. Hello, Honorable. The Honorable. My very mighty Honorable. Ẹ kú ọjọ́ mẹ́ta. Báwo ni? Adúpẹ́. In fact, èmi náà ṣe ń wọ Nàìjíríà ni. Mo àtìgbà tá ti wà on recess. Mo lọ sí the United States láti lọ rí àwọn family mi. Thank you very much. Èwo nìyẹn? Adétún Fágbèmí. Ṣé mo gbọ́ orúkọ yẹn rí ṣá? Mi ò mọ ẹni tó ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Náà mi ò mọ ẹni tó ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. What? Rape? What do you mean rape? I just got into Nigeria. Bọ́ọ̀lù èèyàn ṣe máa ní mo rape òun. No. That's not possible. That's not possible. I'm going to ṣẹlẹ̀. Ó wà ní gbogbo dailies. Ó publish article lórí mi. No, that can't be true. I just got into the country. Ẹjọ́, ó dàgbà mo fẹ́ nìkan tó ń ta newspaper níwájú. Honorable ẹjẹ́ ń pè yín padà. Let me confirm. Let me see it for myself. Please, let me see it for myself. Rape? No. Please, I'll call you back. Gentlemen, your paper wo ló wà ńbẹ̀ yẹn?
National guide, what, sir?
National guide.
Yes, sir.
Ẹ fún mi copy kan.
All right, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Eba,
all right, sir.
You may keep the change.
All right, sir.
Yes.
Honorable.
Thank you very much.
Abaga.
This is ridiculous. This is very ridiculous. What nonsense is Adiola? Mi ò mọ ilé rí now. Mi ò mọ rí. Yes. This is very ridiculous. Ridiculous. Yes. Hello. Is that the Commissioner of Police? Good. Honorable Badmus on the line. Yes. I've just been, informed, and I can even see it in myself. Newspaper, somebody published a defamatory statement about me in the newspaper. Only mo rape òun. Anything me rí. In my entire life, me ò fojú kan rí. Only mo rape òun. How can that be? Oh, they publish bagada love you picture in the newspaper now. Please, I would appreciate you can investigate this matter. Yes, somebody of my caliber and somebody of my... You can't just spoil my reputation. Yes, Commissioner. Yes, please, do your best to investigate this matter. I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
That's how it is. Since 10 years ago. 10 years?
Madam, you know what? Police is your friend. Do you know the person you just accused is a public figure? He's even a sitting honorable. He's the gubernatorial candidate for PPP party.
Do you have any evidence? Any video recording? Any audio recording? So how are we going to do it? Do you know this is defamation of character? And you're liable for 2 years in jail.
Jail?
Yes.
Jail?
Yes.